leather sheets. Usually when a client has leather sheets, we usually tend to do with the leather cleaner. And I usually use like a brush, but we're using this type of brush. So, and use your rag too, just in case. You can do it either way. You can either spray on here or on the seat itself. But
how long does the maintenance detail take?
Roughly it'll take about an hour, hour and a half. Usually it depends on the vehicle and the client, how they end up, take care of their vehicle. But roughly it'll take like an hour and a half, roughly.
Nice.
So,
you guys have a routine?
yes, we usually always have a routine. We usually gotta make sure what we're doing, what time everyone's communicating. There's no one usually just standing around doing nothing. Someone has either a job to do. He's like Aaron right now. He's doing the interior with the buff and rack, same as me, but I'm working with the leather.
Oh.
So as you can see, I don't know if you can see that. It looks all glossy. It looks just like if it's new. So now we don't leave it like that for obvious reasons. So that's why we have the rag. So now we just wipe.